Hello and welcome to Paythepoolman. Today we're going to walk through how to schedule a customer for more than one service a week. So first thing we'll do is click Routing, Service Routing, and select our technician. We'll select Tech 2 today. And then we want to click on our day. So let's say we're scheduling a Tuesday-Thursday service schedule. So we'll click Tuesday first and we'll search our customer. We'll say it's a commercial customer. We'll do apartments here. So we will select this customer, drag them and drop them. They turn blue and they're now routed on Tuesday. We see here in their drop down, they also have a bi-weekly status tab. This bi-weekly means every other week. So you do not want to select this for a customer who's serviced twice a week. Next thing we'll do, since we have them scheduled on Tuesday, we will scroll over, select Thursday, and we will schedule this customer again. And now they're listed twice a week. So let's go to their customer page and take a look at this information. We'll click Home, we'll click Customer, Apartments here, and Plus. So we see here they're scheduled for Tech 2 on Tuesday and Thursday. Now let's go ahead and remove these and take a look at another way to do this. So let's delete this date and delete this date. So say we hadn't started at all and we want to add this customer on 2 days a week. We can go here to the plus page on their dashboard, click Add Service Stop, select our employee. We're going to use Tech 2 again, if they're bi-weekly or not. Now this customer's not, because we're going to use them twice a week, not every other week. Select a service day and we can see that we can select multiple service days. So we'll click Tuesday and Thursday. We'll click Select. We'll select our route type if we'd like to. This is optional. You can also do this on the other page under route type, but here we'll just select full service. We want to send door hangers and add. All right, now we see that we have those two services added here again. And this is the same way as adding them on the other screen, but it just allows us to do it in a quick pop-up format. So if you have any questions about scheduling a customer twice or more a week, please let us know and we'd be happy to help.